Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, YouTube. I'm Frank from Seeds and Dreams. A lot of you know me. It's been a while. Here in upstate New York, it's wintertime. There's not a whole lot to do in the winter, so that's why you haven't heard from me. But today, I'm going to go down and, as you can see in the yard, everything's full of snow, mud, dirt, and the animals don't really have anything to graze on. So what we're going to try to do is make them an outside feeder out of some cattle panel that I have. So I figured it's something to make some content, to touch base with you guys, say hi, hope everybody's well. So we're going to go downstairs and we're going to get started here. Cattle panel now is strapped up to the chain link fence over there where the goats and the sheep are. I'm going to take some measurements, pull it out, use the grinder, cut it up, strap it together, probably zip ties or maybe stainless steel zip ties. Really not sure yet. We'll get all that going, but yeah, first things first is got to get dressed, get some warm clothes on, and I'll be back to you in a few minutes. Let me turn the camera on here. You can see things are just a mess. It's a muddy mess. Over there's a cattle panel. Hi guys. You look a little wet. What are you doing? Hi, buddy. Get in there, Dub. Yeah, the sheep and the goats are tearing this tree apart. They're eating the bark off it and chewing the wood. I don't know exactly how long this tree is going to last, but let me see. So here's a cattle panel. Looks like the older stuff is in the back. Here's a piece we can use, maybe. Yeah, so this is definitely going to take a couple hands here. Let me see if I can somehow put you over here. Dubby, you gonna knock that over on me? Dubby. So much for them, so much from keeping them knocking it over. All right. Hi, Mama. Hi, Buttons. All right, well, we got the cattle panel out. Not exactly the easiest thing to drag around in ice and snow. We got a full piece and another half piece over here. I'm going to use what I can off the half piece before I cut more. So we're going to take some measurements. All right, this is to fill daily with hay, so it's not like it's got to be that big. And we don't have to put a lot of hay in it. So I think what I'm doing is 24 by 48 to start to see how that looks. Okay, Well, the first one didn't work because of these guys right here. W and Sprocket. Of course, they're goats. Should know better. The first thing they did was jump right up into it. So my next plan of attack was this thing here. I hung this on the side of the garage, put hay in it, just to give them something to feed on outside. That was the whole idea here. I had to put the board down because we have a burrowing creature that is making tunnels underneath all of our structures here. And I'm gonna have to do something here and get a live trap because we can't have that. If you look here, there's a hole here, a pretty good size hole underneath the barn. And I don't know what it is, but we have to trap this thing and move it because it's destroying our structures underneath. Not to mention, if one of the sheep or the goats step in one of their holes, they can break a leg. So, but yeah, again, that first hay feeder would have worked great for the sheep, but the little guys over there, being goats, they do what they do. They find their way into everything. So that's where we are today. I know it wasn't much, but I just wanted to stop in, say hi, do something. But until next time, thanks for watching. If you would, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment. Really do appreciate it. Thank you.